Hey guys, if you're really interested to know how much you have purchased in total on Amazon, here's a quick tip for you guys. You have to Google in Amazon request my data. Then you will have to click on request your personal information page. It takes you to another page wherein you have to select on request my data. So you should be signed into your account already. You will have to select data category as your orders. Then you will have to place submit request. So that's it guys. It's very simple. You will get the data processed as an Excel spreadsheet to your email ID. So that's it. Hope this is useful for you guys. Thanks for watching.